Hi, this is Mrs. Mora, and this is a quick tutorial of how to register for the Aktivate portal in order to register your child for sports. So if you go to our link tree, which is linktree.ee/rightsenrichschool, you'll find at the very bottom there is the sports info section. We have this link, how do I register my child to play sports? If you click on it, it will take you to this website this page on our school district website, and it gives you the breakdown of step-by-steps on how do you register for Aktivate. So create a parent and guardian account. You do that by going to aktivate.com. You go here, you're going to hit login, and then you're going to hit create account. You're going to select parent and fill out your personal information. Once you do all of that, then it says you're going to fill out your information, and as a parent guardian, click create account. You will get a 6-digit verification code in your email. So don't close this window after you hit create account because it'll ask for that code. You'll put that code in here after getting it from your email. Then the next step is you're going to log in with your email address and password, and under the parents header, you're going to go through and start or complete athlete registrations. So I'm going to go ahead, and I already have an account, so I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm going to hit login. And here I have my son's registration, so parent guardian registration portal. So I will click here to manage the portal. And so then I will start, what would you like to do? Start and complete registration. So I click there, and then I start the whole process. As you can see, I've already done it for the 24-25 school year, and I did it for last year as well. If you don't have this part, you can just click new registration. As you hit select school, you'll choose Wrights and Ridge, select, then you'll select athlete. You will need to add a new athlete from the beginning, fill out all this information for your athlete, and then hit submit, and then your child will pop up on your account. Since my son is already there, I can click there, you selected athlete, then you're going to click on what academic year you're registering for. You click the year, and then choose all of the sports that your child may consider applying for. My son only likes to play boys soccer, which is not on here because I've already registered him for boys soccer, but we recommend if you don't click on this box right here, then the coaches don't see your child's physical information for tryouts in that time. So I'm going to go ahead and register him for cross country just because that's one of the sports that's open and available right now. And then I'm going to hit submit. And then I have selected the correct information. And then now I'm going to go through all of the athlete information. So each time you decide, do you want to purchase athlete accidental medical coverage? I'm going to say no for this video. I'm going to hit decline. Then I'm going to do final signatures, final documents. Mine is already like checking off a lot of it because I have already submitted and uploaded my physical on file. So unfortunately, I won't be able to show you how to do that because I already did it. But if you go back through here, it says new registration, select school, follow the steps in the buttons. I promise you, once you get into the portal, it makes sense. You just click around until you find what you're missing. If everything is done, then all of these will have a check mark, and then you're good to go. This one, the school fees will not be checked until they make the team. Once they make the team, then the office will apply the fee to their Power School account, and then you'll be able to pay for it through Power School. Okay, or you can pay at the front office, but I'm proud Power School is a lot easier. So you select, you type your name, Sarah Mora. I'm going to e-sign that yes, I'm good to go. Student signature, my child should be here while I do this part, but for the purposes of this demonstration, e-sign, even though he's not planning to actually. Okay, yes, I want to submit this form. Now the final signatures is done. I've already uploaded my physical documents. Here's where you would click on it, and it'll allow you to upload those documents. I just took pictures of the documents from my, what is that called? Sports physical documents. I just took pictures of them, and then I uploaded them here. And then you hit next, and then everything is done. a complete registration fee payment. We can't do that until the school administration reviews the registration information. Then I hit next, and I am pretty much like done from this part. I can't do anything else because they're not going to apply the registration fee until he makes the team. So it says registration checklist. Everything else is done. So I am done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log out. I can't log out. Oh, log out is over here. And I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you.